Welcome to Best Choice. The best Petsafe transmitter is probably one of the most essential components for maintaining your dog's containment system, ensuring they stay safely within their designated boundaries and preventing any unwanted escapes that could lead to distress for both you and your beloved pet. This crucial device acts as the central hub, broadcasting the signal that keeps your dog secure and happy in their yard, making its reliability and performance paramount for peace of mind. Number 5. Petsafe Original Replacement Flap, Large. Keep your pet's access secure and comfortable. This durable vinyl flap is made with non-toxic materials, ensuring safety for your furry friend. Designed to fit a variety of Petsafe doors, including sliding glass and wall entry models. Its large size, measuring 16.78 x 10.18w, offers ample space for your pet. This flap is weather-resistant and easy to clean, providing a reliable seal. The magnetic closure helps keep out unwanted drafts, maintaining a comfortable indoor temperature. Restore your pet door quickly and easily. Installation is a simple DIY process requiring only a screwdriver, saving you time and effort. With over 25 years of experience, we are dedicated to creating safe and innovative products. Our solutions are vet and trainer recommended, fostering joy and strengthening the bond with your pet. What we like. This replacement flap offers a flexible fit for various Petsafe door types, ensuring a seamless integration. Its durable, weather-resistant vinyl construction with a magnetic closure provides reliable protection against drafts. If you're looking to quickly restore your existing Petsafe pet door without hassle, this is an excellent choice for its ease of installation and robust build. What people say. The flap fit perfectly as well and does a great job restricting about 99% of airflow, which was important for me. The plastic material feels quite durable and well made. Installation was quick and easy, remove the old flap and install the new one. Very straightforward. It is the manufacturer's replacement. This dog door insert for our sliding glass patio door is a life changer. We actually have not attached the entire insert to the frame of the door, but choose to lift it in and out at night so that unwanted critters don't invite themselves in. But there is also a sweet cover that slides in place to keep the slab secured too. Whether you attach it or not, having this little flap that your animals can use themselves and regulate their own yard time with is awesome. Number 4. Petsafe Classic Replacement Flap, Large. Restore your pet's freedom with a fast replacement flap. Its magnetic closure ensures a secure seal, keeping your pet's access uninterrupted. Designed for easy integration with wall entry and patio panel models. This tinted vinyl flap fits classic doors seamlessly. Crafted from durable, easy-to-clean material, it's built for long-term use. Enjoy reliable performance in both indoor and outdoor settings. From its US roots, this brand offers vet and trainer-recommended solutions. They are dedicated to creating joy for pets with exceptional support. For over 25 years, they have been creating safe and innovative products. These trusted items enhance pet lives and strengthen the bond with families. What we like. Designed specifically for classic Petsafe doors, this flap maintains a secure weather seal with its soft, tinted vinyl and magnetic closure. It's built for convenience and long-lasting use, being easy to clean and weather-resistant. If you have an older Petsafe model and need a reliable, easy-to-install replacement that keeps the elements out, this is the perfect fit. What people say. Fit perfectly for a classic dog door, not the Freedom. These have the bump parts at the top. Looks so much better as mine was old and wasn't shutting good. Magnet hits just right. Nice thick material. Quality product. The flap on our pet door was getting sort of ragged after many years. Replacing the whole door assembly was not something I wanted to do. Delighted to find that an exact match door replacement was available, particularly considering that this door model is no longer part of the current product line. Installation was easy and we now look forward to many more years of use of the dog door. It is great that we can get replacement flaps. With 4 large dogs constantly running in and out, the flap takes a beating. It gets cold where I live, so it's nice that the flap has magnets which help keep it closed. It is very easy and quick to replace. The flap is quite thick and durable. Number 3. Petsafe Basic In-Ground Fence System. Setting up your new containment system is a breeze. It comes with everything you need for a weekend DIY project, covering up to 1/3 of an acre. The receiver collar offers a gentle tone-only mode or 4 levels of safe static correction. It's waterproof, battery-operated, and adjustable to fit your dog comfortably. This collar is suitable for dogs over 6 months old and weighing at least 8 pounds. The adjustable neck size ranges from 6 to 26 inches. Expand your containment easily by purchasing additional collars. This system can safely keep an unlimited number of pets within your designated boundaries. With over 25 years of experience, Petsafe is dedicated to creating safe and innovative solutions. We are committed to enhancing the lives of pets and strengthening the bond they share with their families. The battery-operated collar features a low battery indicator for convenience. It uses a replaceable battery that is included to ensure continuous protection. What we like. This in-ground fence system offers a straightforward DIY installation, allowing you to create a safe boundary for your pets quickly. It features a safe, adjustable static collar with multiple correction levels and a tone-only mode, catering to different temperaments. If you need a reliable containment solution for multiple pets and prefer a system you can set up yourself over a weekend, this is an ideal option. What people say. The system still works great after 7 years and doggy wear and tear. It is incredibly easy to teach the dogs the boundaries. Every dog I've had has mastered it in a couple days of training. The system works reliably, and we have been socked with loads of rain and standing water. In the yard, the system never complained. Number 2. Petsafe Deluxe Ultralight Receiver Collar. Easily add another furry friend to your existing in-ground fence system. Now all your pets can safely enjoy the freedom of outdoor play together. This collar offers a gentle tone-only mode and 4 adjustable levels of static correction. You can customize the settings to suit your dog's unique temperament for effective training. It's waterproof and battery-operated, designed for dogs over 6 months old and weighing 8 pounds or more. The adjustable neck strap ensures a comfortable fit, ranging from 6 to 26 inches. With a strong U.S. foundation and global presence, we provide solutions recommended by vets and trainers. Our goal is to create joyful experiences for pets and their families. For over 25 years, since 1998, we have been dedicated to creating safe and innovative products. We aim to enhance the lives of pets and strengthen the bond they share with their families. What we like. This receiver collar is perfect for expanding your current Petsafe in-ground fence system to include more pets. It's waterproof, battery-operated, and offers adjustable static correction levels and a tone-only mode for safe training. If you already own a Petsafe in-ground fence and need to add another dog to the secure play area, this collar is the ideal accessory. What people say. This is a great replacement for my old Petsafe Transmitter. It works perfectly with my existing receiver collar. The range is excellent, just as advertised. Number 1. Petsafe Stay and Play Wireless Fence. Introducing the Petsafe Stay and Play Wireless Fence, offering freedom for your pet in a lightweight, travel-friendly design. Setup is quick and easy, creating a safe play area up to 3-4 acre without any digging. This system features a static collar with 5 adjustable correction levels and a tone-only mode. It's designed to reinforce positive behavior and can be tailored to your dog's specific temperament. The receiver collar is waterproof and battery-operated, fitting neck sizes from 6 to 28 inches. A starter battery is included, providing 1 to 2 months of use. From its U.S. roots, Petsafe provides vet and trainer-recommended solutions. We are dedicated to creating joy for pets and supporting the bond they share with their families. Since 1998, Petsafe has been committed to creating safe and innovative products. We aim to enhance pet lives and foster lifelong connections between pets and their loved ones. What we like. Experience ultimate freedom with this wireless fence system, offering a large coverage area up to 3-4 acre without any digging required. It's lightweight and travel-friendly, making it easy to set up anywhere. If you're looking for a convenient, portable, and effective way to create a secure boundary for your dog without the hassle of burying wires, this system is an excellent choice. What people say. He consistently initiated, putting on the brakes, as we approached the boundary, so I would lavishly praise and reward him. The shock levels are adjustable. The circle is widely adjustable to your liking, many sizes to choose from until it's just right. Overall, it took 2 times for the dog to feel the zap, and she now knows not to pass the flags. Works as a charm. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.